Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Uncle Pete. As you guys can see, we had a beast mode of the week this week in trading. We had 12 wins, only 5 losses, and 1 break even. And as far as the scalping group, as you guys can see, the scalping group did an amazing job. What happened with them is that they trade the indices like the US 30, the Dow Jones, the NASDAQ, and so forth, the German 30, and they clocked almost 11,000 pips. So again, you know what to do if you want to join the signals group. Just go to superezforex.com/signal-service. Okay, and go ahead and join. But yeah, we had a really amazing week. Pretty nice.